anything related to the Dutch, haven't got a clue, but I sure do know how to whip up a good Hollandaise sauce. If you don't mind, come along and I'll show you how. After you.
2 egg yolk, 2 blocks of butter, 1 lemon wedge, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Prepare butter by placing them in a pot. Gently melt your butter on a very, very low heat. Once your butter has melted, turn off the heat and let it rest on the stove. Using a ladle, remove the scum floating on the surface. Get a strainer and strain the butter slowly. Your butter should be almost clear. Crack 2 eggs and place the yolks only in the bowl. Squeeze the juice from a wedge of lemon. Two teaspoons of water. A teaspoon of vinegar. Prepare boiling water in a pot. Turn the heat to low and place your bowl on the pot. Now passionately squeeze the yolk to incorporate enough air before we start adding in the clarified butter. Once the yolk has incorporated enough air and has thickened and turned pale, we may now proceed with adding in the clarified butter. While whisking, slowly pour in your clarified butter. Always make sure that the clarified butter is fully emulsified before adding in more, or you might have to rewind this video and start over. If it gets too thick, add in some warm water to dilute it. Season with only salt and more lemon juice and vinegar if necessary. And there you have it, Hollandaise sauce. Ooh, you touched my tra-la-la, my ding-ding-dong.
The mic is still on.
Oh, sorry.
I find this version of mini droplets of one liquid in another in which it is not soluble or miscible. So, basically, you understand the signs of emulsion, you will always get it right, and that is important because if you get it right all the time, then you can add a little chopped shallot to chervil and tarragon, and there you have it, Béarnaise sauce. So before you have fun whipping your Hollandaise sauce, do me a favor, please like and subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos for you lot. Now off you pop, cheerio, bye bye, see you next week.